Joshua.
God?
Joshua.
Yes, my Lord.
My servant Moses is dead. Now you and all these people must go across the Jordan River. You must go into the land I am giving to the Israelites. I promised Moses that I would give you this land. So I'll give you all the land wherever you go.
People of Israel, get some food ready. 3 days from now, we will go across the Jordan River and take the land our Lord, our God, is giving us. People of Israel, let's all go see the land our God promises at the Jordan River.
Joshua, water is too fast. We can't cross the Jordan River. It is too dangerous. Joshua, are you okay? Did you bring us here to die with our kids and animals in this river? There's no way we're getting to Jericho.
Ha 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 ha! You fools! You think you can get to Jericho, my great city with such a strong wall surrounding? You must first cross the Jordan River in order to get to Jericho. Ha 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 ha! Foolish Israelites!
Dear Lord of Israel, please give us a miracle. People of Israel, the Lord has heard our prayer. Please let the priest carrying the covenant box go into the river first.
Oh my goodness! Did you see what just happened here? It is exactly what Moses did when he parted the Red Sea.
Each man from each tribe collect a stone and place it here so everyone can remember what happened today. Follow me. I want to send you to spy to Jericho, and no one should know about it.
So the men went to the city of Jericho and stayed at the house of a prostitute named Rahab. But someone told the king of Jericho, last night some men from Israel came to look for witnesses in our country.
Hey, do not hide the Israelite slaves who might come to hide in your houses, because they came to spy to our city.
Everyone in this country is afraid of you. Please make me a promise that you will be kind to my family because I help you.
Don't tell anyone what you're doing.
Then when the Lord gives us the land, we'll be kind to you. You can trust us. to the hills and hide there for 3 days. Okay?
Rahab's house was built into the city wall, so she used a rope to let the men down through a window.
Get up, Israelites. The Lord has commanded us to march around the wall.
These Israelites are too foolish. Ha 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 ha. They think they can get into a great city world just marching around it. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha.
People of Israel, today we will march around the walls for 7 times. And for the last time, we will march around with a loud noise, blowing the ram's horn and singing the worship songs to the Lord.
Hey, don't treat me like this. I'm the king of this city.
Who is the fool now?
We will do whatever you command us to do. We will go wherever you tell us to go. We will obey whatever you ask us, just as we obeyed Moses. We only ask that the Lord your God be with you, just as he was with Moses.